In this video, I will tell you how to use Chime SpotMe Overdraft. So first you need to open the Chime app and sign into your account. After that, make sure you have an eligible Chime checking account and that your Chime debit card or credit builder card has already been activated. Next, confirm that you have received at least $200 in qualifying direct deposits within the last 34 days. Then go into the app, open settings and tap SpotMe. Now turn SpotMe on and accept the terms. If the app gives you the option, choose your SpotMe limit. After that, use your Chime debit card or your credit builder card for a purchase that goes over your available balance. When that happens, Chime can cover the shortage up to your approved limit and your next deposit will automatically pay back the negative balance. SpotMe is a fee-free overdraft feature for eligible members and it can cover debit card purchases, credit builder card purchases and cash withdrawals up to your limit. That's how you use Chime SpotMe Overdraft. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.